Hello guys, it's Godswill once again. In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at Python booleans. Now, booleans are data types in Python that can either be true or false. And so we are going to start by defining a boolean. So we can see our A should be equal to true. And then we can say that our B should be equal to false. As you can see, the boolean data type has been highlighted in orange color. So we can print A and we can either print B. As you can see, the Boolean value of A has been printed as true. And so let's also print for the Boolean value of B. And so when we run this code, you see that to print both the Boolean for A and the Boolean for B. And so this is the result. And so you must note that the Boolean value true or false, the first character, the first letter of the Boolean is in capital letters, and also for the false is in capital letters. And so we are going to check to see what type of data is this. So we do that by saying type, and also we do for this also by saying type, and then we are going to print this and check if both statements are booleans or not. And so you can see that the class of both of them are bool. The class of type A and type B is a bool. And so we are going to compare two numbers with booleans, and we can see how we are going to use booleans. So we are going to print if 10 is equals to 10. So you are going to say that by using double equal to sign, and then we are going to check also if 10 is less than 5, or if 10 is less than 9. So you're also going to check if 20 is greater than 10. So you're going to check if 20 is less than 10, and if 10 is greater than 9. And so we're going to run this code to see the result. And so when you hit the run button, you see that the first answer is true because 10 is equals to 10. The second answer is true because 10 is greater than 9. And the third statement, 20, is false because 20 is not less than 10. So another example of the Boolean is that it is used in if statement. So for example, I'm going to define a variable age and then assign the value 17. And then I'm going to use an if statement and say that if the age should be greater than 17, it should print that you're welcome, proceed. Please proceed. And so if the condition is not true, we're going to say else print you're underage. You are not qualified to proceed. And so we can use this to check if and else statement. So let's run this condition. So the age of the user in this case has already been defined as 17. And so the first case, if the age is greater than 17, it will welcome the user. And if it is less than, it will say you are not qualified. And so this is an example of where you can use it in an if and else statement. So in this case, the user is not qualified to enter. And so let's run this code. Now you will see that because the age is less than 17, it will print that the user is not qualified to proceed. And so you can see as it is shown here, not qualified to proceed. So what if in the case if the age is increased to 18, and then since the age is greater than 17, it will print that the user is qualified to proceed. And you can see that it has said, welcome Mausa, you are qualified to proceed. And so that's how Booleans are used in Python. You can use it mostly in if-else statements. That's where they are used. And remember, Boolean is either true or false. So guys, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you do, turn on the notifications, share. For your support, you can contact me. Financial support is needed. Please, I do appreciate for your support. You can support me on Patreon, you can support me via Payoneer, via PayPal, and I appreciate you. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Share the video, drop your comments below, and I'll see you in my next tutorial where I'll be talking about Python operators and Python arithmetic operators. Goodbye and have a wonderful day. Thank you.